Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Chevy Express. The Express offers massive spaciousness, style, safety, and a surprising amount of optional features. With enhanced towing and hauling capabilities, the Express is built to get the job done. And it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, backup camera, power steering, driver airbag, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, MP3 player, power door locks. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.